Hello everyone, hope you're doing well, staying safe. Me and my group, we came up with a system, a working application that is a web-based secure role-based system for an annual university magazine whereby it is used to collect student contributions, right? And then we have our application requirements stated by our course leader. We have our product backlog. We have our user stories. So basically we followed agile scrum working practices that we'll adopt to create the working application, right? So we had a total of 3 sprints, and in each sprint we divided our task accordingly. We've indicated in our report, and we also had a burn down chart, right? And we named our system as a daily magazine. Okay, so let me take you through our system. So basically we have our main website. We have 6 navigations. We have about us, gallery, category. Under category we have science and technology, news, business, entertainment, and culture. These are the categories we have came up with. We have our contact page whereby student can do inquiries, and we have our portals. So we have our admin, administrator, student, and marketers, that is coordinator and manager, and we have guest. So in our site we have latest articles that have been approved and listed by coordinator, and it's displayed in our site. We have our gallery whereby if student has uploaded any images related to that particular article been listed, and we have our footer. So in our footer we have our quick links, popular posts, and categories. So under category we have agriculture, business, entertainment, news, science, and technology. So at the same time we can be able to see how many contributions have been uploaded under each category. So at the moment you can say business is 2, so they are listed. There are 2 articles that have been listed under category business, right? Then we have our about page. So we decided that we automate this functionality whereby we keep an option in our admin page if you want to update any company info. So once you have updated, automatically it updates in our site. And then we have our gallery. So as I said, one student has uploaded any images to be listed. Then we have categories. So for instance, if we have under science and technology we have 4 contributions. So as you can see here, at the moment we have like 4 contributions that have been listed, right? The same thing works with the news, business, entertainment, and culture. Then we have a contact form whereby if any user or a student or outsider they want to inquire about our platform or how it works, so they simply have to write their name. So I'm writing my name at the moment, email, and message. So any inquiry they want to say. So at the moment I'm just saying services, right? And once I've submitted, the message goes to the owner, okay? And the owner, it goes to the email's owner, okay? Owner's email, right? So we can confirm if we have received. Yeah. So as you can see, we have received our feedback comment from the user, name, email, and the message, right? We can proceed to our portals. So we have admin portal. So our admin logging, simply they have to oversee the whole system process. They have the track of all articles, the users, the categories, and the reports. So the admin credentials are my name and the password is 1290. So at the same time, if you want to make your password visible. You can view it, or you can check, or you can uncheck, right? And you can proceed to sign in. Login successful. So it will redirect you to our main dashboard, admin dashboard, right? So as you can see, we have our name, we have a drop down list whereby if you want to change your password, and in our dashboard we have a total number of registered managers, coordinators, and articles that have been uploaded by students, and categories that are listed at the moment. So we can try with our managed users, that is marketers. So in our add marketer and coordinator, once you have registered a user, the credentials are being sent to the email you have registered with, so that it will be easy for them to log in. So at the moment I have a user here, so I'm deleting the one I have and I'm adding a new one for demo purpose. So for marketers and coordinators, the process works as same. So I'm showing for marketers at the moment, right? Okay. So once I have registered, the email goes to the owner's email, right? So as you can, let's confirm if I've received. Yeah, so these are the emails I received from the daily magazine. The account has been created and the username and password have been set, right? Now if I add the same user, the message will come as data already exists, so no duplicate entry is allowed, so it will reject. So we can test. So as you can see, the data already exists and we cannot proceed, right? So the same process works with coordinator. I can take you to process of adding guest users. So we have a user, I'm deleting again, right? So in our guest, you register as comments, email, the number. Now here in our category, you select under which category you want the user to be registered with. So if it's entertainment, the articles in their portal, it will only show the entertainment articles. At the same time, if you register as a science and technology, so you will only be able to view the articles that are under science and technology, right? And then the username and the password. At the same time, the email will go to the specific user. Let's confirm. So as you can see, the account as a guest has been created under category science and technology, right? And the credentials will be sent. Right. So this was the process for managing users. Now we can shift to manage articles. So let's say there's another option called set an academic year, that is the closure date, the final contribution closure date, yeah, as a deadline. So let's say me as an admin have created from 3rd till 8th of April. So once I have set the contribution, so I can say the remaining days for the final contributions are 5 days remained. So the same date it will indicate in our student portal, whereby when they are uploading an article, so it will notify them that okay, 5 days are being 5 days remaining for the final contribution, right? Then we have a category, adding category. So in this case, if you want to add a category, or you want to edit, or you want to update, it will simply show, right? Then we have view articles, right? Under view articles, you can either download a zip, you can either preview as an image, right? Or you can download specifically, right? Then we have manage web pages. So as I said, in our display site, when you update any details, let's say into a demo. So for instance, this is the information which is under about us page. So let's say if I'm saying welcome to Daily Magazines, I'm just adding a S for the demo purpose and I'm updating. Alright, so as you can see it's updated. But now at the same time, if we confirm, and if you go to our about us page, so as you can see, welcome to Daily Magazine. So as you can see it's updated. Alright, and we also have an option for contact info. So at the moment we just have our contact info, which is under contact page. Yeah, so we have our location, email and the number. So when, let's say if I update my location saying Parklands, alright, and once I update, so as I can see my address have been updated. At the same time, the location will also update. Sorry, let me just change. Alright, so once you check in our contact page, as you can see it's being updated. Alright, now we can shift to our system log, that is our activity log. So in this case we'll be able to know how many users have been listed and what kind of user, specific user you have edited as an admin. So let's say at the moment we edited Joanne for marketing manager. So we added a system user. Okay, we added a system user, marketing manager. So it has been detected that you add this specific user in the system. Then we have reports, we have statistics, and we have exemption reports. So in our number of contributions per academic year, we have this much. So we have like so many articles that have been listed per academic year. Then we have number of contributors per category. So the students that have been contributed per category have been analyzed and shown as a line graph, right? Then we have percentage of contribution. So how many people have contributed, let's say entertainment, right? So as you can see, science and technology is 4, agriculture is 3, business 2, entertainment is only 1, and news have been contributed only 2. Then we have our exemption reports, whereby if I want to select, let's say, the approved articles from 1st March, alright, 1st March till, let's say, April, right? And once I search, so I'll be able to view all listed articles that have been approved, right? And the same thing works with pending and progress, right? So basically this was our admin dashboard, and I can take you to our changing password, resetting password. So let's say at the moment we have a password 123456790, and now we can add a new password 123456, and then you save. So as you can see the pop-up, the password has been changed, and you can log out. Alright, so now let me take you through student portal. So under student portal we have forgot password. If you don't have an account, you have to register or else proceed to login. So in this case I'll simply register a student. We can keep a random number or name. Michael, for example, and I'm keeping my email so that I receive my successful registration message with my credentials. So you have to read and accept your terms. So if I don't check, it will give me an error message, so I have to check and proceed to register. Right, so as you can see, the login successful and the information is sent to my email. Checking confirm. As you can see, daily magazine, my student credentials have been created. Thanks Michael, and this is my username and password. So we can sign in. As you can see, login successful. So as you can see here, I've been redirected to my student dashboard. So basically, the articles, you can only list specific ones. Let's say I can't view all the articles that have been listed by different students, so I can only view my articles. So at the moment I have nothing. I have not uploaded a single article, so my notifications, the pending articles, uploaded articles, and inbox meaning the chat feature. If there are any messages that have been sent by a coordinator, I'll receive. So at the moment it's nil. So let's say we can upload an article. As you can see, I have an alert that 5 days remaining for the final submission. So let's upload an article. Under entertainment, we can say sports. We don't have any description at the moment, and now we can upload a file as a Word document. So I'm uploading my document and image. So I'm just picking a random image at the moment, that is right. So you can just pick, let's say this one, right, and then you upload. So as you can see, my article is listed, and at the same time when I'm viewing my article, I'll be able to know that my status is still in pending. So it's not yet approved by a coordinator, so I have to wait, right? And if you want to download a zip, you can download it. And at the same time, for comments, I have no comments at the moment, right? And then for reports purpose, I can only view my contribution, my specific contribution that have been listed. So I can only see one article which I listed recently. And then we have a number of contributions which I uploaded under category entertainment and percentage of contributions. Alright, so I just have one. And at the same time, for the article data, I can only view my own details. So let's say from 1st till 6th, I have a pending article at the moment. So there you go, the status is still pending, right? And as you can see, even in our dashboard, the pending article has been updated and the uploaded article has been updated, right? I don't have any notifications because I have not received any comments or message from coordinator as well as for inbox. Okay, so let's log out for now and we can go to a coordinator's portal. Right, so we can go to our marketing coordinators portal, right? So we already have a username. So as you can see, login successful. So now in my portal I've got a notification that there is an article that is being pending. So I have to view. At the same time I have latest articles and the comments which I made. And at the same time we have an assumption that as a coordinator or manager they can also add a guest user if admin is not around, right? So we can view our notification. So as you can see, we have a contribution that have been listed recently and it's in status pending. So I'll simply preview it. So as you can see, I have a doc file if you want to preview, right? So you can download or you can preview as an email. So as I can see, this is the email that have been uploaded by a student, right? So let me update the comment that article is approved, and I'll simply change the status to approved. Alright, now at the same time you can view that the article has been approved. And if there is any chat, we have a real-time chat feature. So if you want to talk with a student, so you can click on a chat icon and you select a student. So at the moment we have 4 students, so I'll click on mic and I'll say your article has been approved and ready to publish it online. You can just say thank you for using our platform, right? And then we send a message. So as you can see, my message has been sent, but I have not received any message from student yet. Okay, and now at the same time for the coordinator, I'll only view the ones which have been approved. Okay, the article which I have approved. The same thing for academic year, for the category, and for the percentage of contributions that have been approved, right? So as you can see, my notification has been updated and it's in 0. So I can log out for now, and now I can go back to student portal to view my article comment. So at the same time, me as a student, I'll receive an email as an approval. As I can see, I have a notification status for article that the article spots is approved, and I can view it online by clicking the link. So for instance, if I click on this link, it's Daily Magazine, right? So as I can see, my new latest article has been approved. It's already listed in my site. So let's proceed and go to student portal. I'm logging as Mike. Right, so as I can see, I have a notification. My pending articles have shifted from 1 to 0, and I also have a 1 in. So let's view our notification at the moment. So as you can see, our article has been approved, and we already have an inbox message, that is a message saying your article has been approved. So I'll just say thank you and send reply message, so it will be updated, right? Okay, and then you can view, as I said, once the article has been approved, the email is sent and you can view it online. So that was our interaction between student and marketing coordinator. Now we have a marketing manager, whereby marketing manager is allowed to download all contributions that have been approved and they can download as a zip file. So the article which the manager which I registered was this user and the password 123456, and I can sign in. So as you can see, login is successful, and I have one guest user, contributions and statistics. So let's say if I go and view as a view article, so I'll still be able to see the articles that have been listed, and you can filter how many articles or records you want to display. So we had an article that has been approved. So basically, let's say if I want to download all contributions, so instead of selecting individually, I'll just simply click on select all, right, and I will proceed to download a contribution. Sorry, there are some articles, so if I don't select article, it will reject. Okay, so here you go. I can download an article, all contributions as a zip file, and proceed to download. So as you can see, it's already downloaded, and once I view it, I'll be able to view all articles that have been listed by students. Okay, so that was one of the features for downloading all contributions. And at the same time, in our reports, you can only view articles of your own that have been approved by coordinator. Right, so you can view all articles that have been approved, and at the same time, for the reports, you can only view the articles that are being approved. And if you want to filter by date, let's say from 1st to 5th, sorry, 6th, so you only view one article that have been listed currently, right? So basically, this was our marketing manager portal. Then the final portal we have is guest portal. As I said, the guest portal, we have a portal for that where you can view reports, and you can only view articles that you are registered with. So I'll simply sign in as OMS, the one I've registered under Science and Technology. Right, so you can say login successful. So as I can see, I have 4 contributions and statistics. So if I click on view articles, I'll only be able to view articles that are under science and technology, and no other article will be able to view. So at the same time, works with reports. As I said, we have 4 articles, the only articles under category science and technology, and the percentage contribution. Right, so we have 4, and for the articles data, it works same like that. Let's say if I want to view article of this month, so I have no record because there are no articles that have been listed under category science and technology from 1st to 30th March. So if we filter with March, so as you can see, we have science, technology for them, the month March. So this was our guest portal. So basically, we close our system, and in our final comment, we are thankful that we had we got a good skill for developing the amazing system we had, and we had enjoyed as a team. We got a lot of knowledge, skills, technical skills, and we shared our ideas. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Enjoy. Take care. Stay safe.